arrived at the University of Maine in 2013. I personally found UMaine one of the most collaborative institutions I've ever been to. I really found this place like home. So my research focus at the University of Maine is to find applications for cellulose nanomaterials. Over the past 10-12 years, I've been mostly focusing on two performance criteria for these materials, using them as binder and as barrier. I call them my two Bs. Basically, we found that we can use these materials as a replacement for adhesives that contain formaldehyde. We can use them also as barrier materials to replace PFAS. So this line of research of using cellulose nanomaterials as a binder actually started as a small observation in the lab. We call it contact dewatering. Basically enables us to remove water very rapidly from this mixture. But what Maine actually changed in my professional career, it was the scale. That was why I changed from small volume application to large volume applications, especially to help the forest products industry that is on the decline and all the pulp and paper industry that are losing their markets. So this is the biggest research award that you can get at the University of Maine. So certainly it means a lot, but rather than just thinking about myself, I think this is also a testament to the team that I have built over the years here. This could have never been done without the collaboration that I have at the University of Maine with the Advanced Structures and Composites Center, the FBRI, the Product Development Center, PDC, and of course my home School of Forest Resources, and the team that I have built here in my lab with all my postdocs, graduate students, and undergraduate students who have been actually doing the research while I was not doing the actual work.